Realme launched their two mid-range smartphones Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro back in March 2020, and now it's looked like Realme is finally making its return to the successors of Realme 6 series. Realme has already started teasing their upcoming Realme 7 and 7 Pro. Other than that, a tipster on Twitter, stuff listings, shared the specs and live images of Realme 7 Pro. Well, this is our first live look at the Realme 7 Pro, which was spotted on Realme's official YouTube channel. Now the design from rear side is confirmed, and you can see we have almost same design as of Realme 6 series. That same quad camera setup in vertical alignment. Stuff listings also shared some live official posters of Realme 7 Pro. Now we also do have some specifications, so let's talk about them. As you can see in the poster, one thing is clear, that the main highlights of phone are the camera and charging speed, which are mentioned as capture sharper and charge faster. So Realme 7 will have an 90Hz LCD panel, yes, LCD panel, not the AMOLED, with rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Obviously we don't see any fingerprint scanner at the rear side, so it will be on the right side of the phone because it cannot be in display also, as it is an LCD display. Realme 7 will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 processor, which is currently the best mid-range processor for great performance. Other than that, there will be 5000 mAh of battery in Realme 7 with 30 watts of fast charging. Talking about the Realme 7 Pro specs, then it will feature an AMOLED display, which is actually a big upgrade from the previous Realme 6 Pro, but this AMOLED display won't provide you any higher refresh rate, and that's okay. This was all confirmed by Madhav, who is actually the CEO of Realme India. Processor in Realme 7 Pro will be the Snapdragon 720G, which is also super great. There will be in-display fingerprint scanner, obviously because it's an AMOLED display. There will be 4500 mAh of battery with 65 watts of impressive charging speed. So Realme 7 Pro is having smaller battery as compared to the Realme 7, maybe to make this phone one of the best cheap smartphones in the mid-range level segment. We don't have any information for the camera setup, but the capture faster moniker makes us to believe that there will be a 64 megapixel sensor, I think. Another leakster on Twitter named as Himanshu shared some storage details for Realme 7 and 7 Pro, and also some color options which you can see on your screen. So we will have maximum of 8GB RAM variant in both Pro and non-Pro variants. Unfortunately, we don't have any price leaks or launch event dates, but it is more likely to happen in early September, means that the next month. That's all for Realme 7 and Realme 7 Pro. Do let me know what do you think about these two smartphones. Stay tuned to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.